Hello and welcome to a video on the best video editors to use with a green screen. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, these editors will surely help you create some amazing content. So without any further ado, let's dive in. The first editor on our list is Adobe Premiere Pro. This software is one of the most popular editors in the market and it has been used by a lot of professionals for years. With its easy to use interface, it provides an excellent platform for beginners to work with green screens. With a variety of effects and transitions, Premiere Pro is capable of handling all your green screen needs. Additionally, this software is compatible with a lot of third-party plugins and tools which can be used to enhance the green screen effects even further. In Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use the Ultra Key tool to create a clean and precise key. And this tool allows you to adjust the key to fit the exact color of your green screen, making it easier to create a seamless composite. The software also has built-in tools for masking, color correction, and compositing, allowing you to create complex green screen effects with ease. Next up is Final Cut Pro X. This editor is exclusive to Mac users and is a popular choice for those who use Apple products. The Final Cut Pro X is known for its ease of use and user-friendly interface, and it has a range of features to help with green screen editing particularly, including chroma key, compositing, color correction, etc. Additionally, it allows you to preview your work in real time, which saves a lot of time while you're going through the editing process. Final Cut Pro X has a feature called Keyer, which is a powerful tool that allows you to create precise key with minimal efforts. The software also has a range of built-in filters and effects that can be used to enhance your green screen footage. Also, it has a feature called Auditions that lets you compare different takes and chooses the best one for your project. DaVinci Resolve is another popular editor on our list. This software is known for its powerful color grading tools and is a favorite of a lot of professional video editors. DaVinci Resolve has a range of features for green screen editing, including keying, tracking, and compositing. Additionally, it has a wide range of filters and effects that can help you create some stunning visuals. One of the standout features of DaVinci Resolve is its color grading tools. The software allows you to create custom looks and apply them to your green screen footage, making it stand out from the crowd. It also has a feature called Fusion, which is like node-based compositing system that allows you to create complex green screen effects with ease. Next, I want to talk about the HitFilm Pro. This software is a great option for those who are just starting with their green screen editing. It has a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to learn. HitFilm Pro has a range of features including keying, tracking, and compositing. Additionally, it has a variety of visual effects and transitions that can be used to enhance your green screen footage. HitFilm Pro has a feature that's called Matte Cleaner that allows you to clean up your green screen footage quickly and easily. And the software also has a feature called Particle Simulator, which can be used to create some amazing visual effects that can be added to your green screen footage. Additionally, it has a built-in 3D compositing tools that allows you to add 3D elements to your green screen footage, which makes it more engaging and dynamic. Now that we've looked at the top 5 video editors for green screen editing, let's compare them and see which one is the best fit for your needs. Adobe Premiere Pro is a popular choice for professionals due to its wide range of features and compatibility with the third-party plugins. It's also an excellent option for those who are already familiar with Adobe Creative Suite. Final Cut Pro is a great option for those who are Mac users and it has an intuitive and user-friendly interface. It is also an excellent option for those who need to work with high-resolution footage. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful editor that's popular for its color grading tools, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize color correction in their projects. It's also a great option for those who need to work with a lot of special effects. HitFilm Pro is an excellent option for beginners who are just starting with green screen video editing. Its user-friendly interface and built-in visual effects make it a lot easier for people who are just learning. The best video editor for green screen editing depends on the personal needs and preferences. However, we hope that this video has provided you with some insights into the top editors available in the market. Let me know if I missed out on anything or if you have any thoughts, comments, suggestions in the comments below for the rest of the viewers to watch as well. I'll catch you in the next one. By the way, before you leave, Have you subscribed to the channel yet? Because 70% of you who are watching my videos are not subscribed. So please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.